Good morning students. So in last video lecture we have talked about the combination of resistance and we have talked about the series. What will happen when two or more resistance are connected in series. Now in today's class we will talk about parallel combination. That what will happen if two or more resistances are connected in parallel, or what will be the equivalent value of the resistance. So for that I am taking here two resistance. Let this be R1 and this be R2, and both are connected battery and a closed key or a key. Okay. So what will happen? This will be positive terminal and this will be negative terminal. As soon as I will close the key, the current will start flowing, and this will be the flow of the direction of current, and it will flow from positive direction towards the negative direction. Okay, and let this end be A and this will be B. So see here that one end of resistance R1 is connected to A and second end of the resistance R1 is connected to B. Likewise, for resistance R2, one end of the resistance is connected to A and the second end of the resistance are connected to B. Means one end to A, one end to B. So these both the resistance R1 and R2 are said to be in parallel. They are connected in parallel. Okay. Now what happened? Since the potential difference across A and B will be the same, so we can say that in the case of parallel, when we are talking about the resistance, when they are connected in parallel, so the potential difference is same. Means if I am assuming that this here the potential difference is V1 and let this here be potential be V2. Okay, आप इसके जगह पे चाहो तो you can draw a voltmeter also. So what will happen? This value and this potential difference will be V. So this V is equal to V1 is equal to V2. Means this resistance R1 is also connected across the means end in between the end AB, and R2 is also connected in between the end AB. So that's why we say that in parallel, what is same? Potential difference remains same. But in series, what remains same? Current remains same. In the last class, we have talked about that. But what will happen? Here, see, here the current is I. Then this current will here split in two directions. Some current will pass through R1 and some current will pass through R2. Let the current which is passing through R1 is I1 and which is passing through I2 means R2 is I2. Then what will happen? Here, when they will come here, so this will be equal to I1 plus I2, which is again equal to I. ये लिखो नहीं भी लिखोगे तो ये चलेगा. तो what I means to say is कि in parallel current get divides, and what will be the current in R1 and what will be the current which will pass through R2, that depends on the value of resistance. That depends on the value of resistance. So for parallel we can say what? V1 is equal to V2. Let us suppose that is equal to V. And in parallel, what will happen? I is equal to I1 plus I2. We are assuming that this as equation number 1. Now what will happen? Since I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay. So as according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR. According to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR, or V is equal to IR, or we can say I is equal to V upon R. What is I? I am writing a little big, so it will be clear to all of you. V is equal to IR, or I is equal to V upon R. So see, if I will put the substitute the value of I is equal to VR in equation number 1, so what will happen? In place of I can write the V, and since the equivalent resistance of whole the circuit I am assuming as R. So, and since these are connected in parallel, so I am writing RP. P stands for parallel. So V upon RP is equal to, here the voltage is V1 and it is R1, V2 by R2. मैंने क्या पुट कर दिया? इस इक्वेशन में I is equal to V upon R, so V upon RP is equal to V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2. But we can say, let this be, we can say, since we know that V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V, हम लोग को क्या पता है कि V1 की वैल्यू V2 के बराबर है, that is equal to V. So here what we will get, V upon RP is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2. Let इसको नहीं तो आप इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 सपोज कर लीजिए, और इसको आप लोग क्या सपोज कर लीजिए, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 सपोज कर लीजिए, या इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 सपोज किया तो इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 सपोज कर लीजिए, वो तो आपके ऊपर है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 1, so we have got first V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V, क्योंकि in parallel potential remains same, potential difference, and according to Ohm's law we know that V is equal to IR, so I is equal to V upon R. So if I am substituting the value of I in equation number 2, so what we get, V upon RP, since equivalent resistance I have considered as RP, जो total resistance है सर्किट का, उसकी equivalent की वैल्यू सीरीज में हम लोग ने क्या कंसिडर किया था, RS. पैरेलल में क्या कंसिडर कर लेंगे, RP. I1 के लिए जो वोल्टेज है वो V1 पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, और जो रेजिस्टेंस R1 V1 upon R1, उसी तो R2 के लिए V2 upon R2. Since from equation number 1 we know that V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V, so in place of V1 I have written V, V2 also I have written V. So what will happen, V upon RP is equal to, I will take common V, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This will cancel with each other. Then the equivalent value will be 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this is the value of the resistance when they are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance are 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If 5 resistances are connected in parallel, so 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. If n resistance go up to 1 by Rn, note down, I am giving you a time of 15 seconds. So please note down it fast. Okay, now what we will do, today we will take some numerical on series as well as parallel, and we will try to solve what will happen when two or more resistance will be connected in series and parallel. So see, suppose if a question is there, that three resistances, okay, of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm are connected with a battery of suppose 10 volt. So what will be the current in this case? So see what is happening here. This is I, and see the डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट इज यूनिक, मीन्स जो करंट पास हो रहा है वो करंट का पास होने का पाथ कितना है, एक ही है, वन पाथ होने. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस ऑल थ्री 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. ओके, सो अगर इसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकालेंगे, सो लेट दिस रेजिस्टेंस विल बी R1, R2 and R3. We know that RS for series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is 5 plus 10 plus 15, that is equal to 30 ohm. And we know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V upon R. So V is how much, 10, and R how much we have got, 30, that is 1 by 3 or 0.33 ampere. So the amount of current flowing in this circuit is how much? 0.33 ampere. How much? 0.33 ampere. So like this question will come in your board exam, that what amount of current will flow in the circuit given below. So this is your question and this is the solution for this question. Second question, again I am taking for what will happen when the resistance are connected in parallel. So suppose I am taking now these all three resistance are connected in parallel. अब हम लोग पहचान कैसे पाएंगे कि जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है या पैरेलल में कनेक्ट है? देखिए इसके लिए हमने क्या किया, लेट सेम क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग, पहले में सीरीज था इसमें पैरेलल था, ताकि आप लोगों को दिस इज 10 वोल्ट आई, अगेन दिस इज 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 15 ohm. अब देखिए करंट के जो पास होने का रास्ता है, वन पाथ इज दिस, सेकेंड पाथ इज दिस एंड थर्ड पाथ इज दिस. मीन्स अब और एक एंड इस टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट है, एक एंड दूसरे टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट है. मीन्स क्या है, दिस 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. उस केस में जो सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन, 1 by RP, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, now see here, that is equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15, LCM will be 30. 6 plus 3 plus 2. Then it will be 5, 6 jar, 3 jar plus 2 jar. That is 1 by RP is equal to 11 by 30 or RP is equal to 30 by 11 ohm. तो एक चीज और आपको इस क्वेश्चन से क्लियर हुआ कि जब वही तीनों रेजिस्टेंस को हमने किसमें कनेक्ट किया था, when I have connected in series, so the equivalent resistance was 30 ohm. And now when I have connected in parallel, it is 11 by 30, near about approximately equal to 3 ohm. इसीलिए पैरेलल में जो रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू होती है वो कम होती है और सीरीज में क्या होती है, ज्यादा होती है. नाउ आई एम रबिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट वन. Okay, so we have got here that RP is equal to how much, 30 by 11 ohm. What is V? V is equal to 10 volt. Again we know that V is equal to IR or I is equal to V upon R. That is 10 divided by 30 by 11, or we can say 10 into 11 upon 30, 11 by 3, that is 3.66 ampere. तो हमने क्या किया कि अब जो आरपी में वैल्यू आई दैट इज 6 + 3 + 2 दैट इज 11/30, आरपी इक्वल टू 30/11। आरपी की वैल्यू मालूम है, वी की वैल्यू मालूम है, वी नो दैट वी इक्वल टू आई आर और आई इक्वल टू वी अपॉन आर, दैट इज 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 30/11। और जब डिवीजन मल्टीप्लीकेशन में चेंज होता है तो दैट विल बी 11/30, 11/3, सो 3.66 एम्पियर। तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा कि सीरीज में जो करंट आ रहा था दैट वाज 0.33, लेकिन पैरेलल में जो करंट आया दैट इज हाउ मच, इट इज 3.66 एम्पियर। ओके, सो this is the difference and this is the way how we will calculate that amount of current which is flowing when the resistors are connected in series and when they are connected in parallel. Okay, और parallel में क्या होता है, वोल्टेज सेम होता है। वही फर्स्ट वाले केस में हम लोग देखेंगे कि वोल्टेज अगर निकालना होता तो V इक्वल टू I1 R1 IR1, V2 इक्वल टू IR2, V3 इक्वल टू IR3। मतलब अगर यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वाला हम लोग कंसिडर किए थे जिसमें रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू हम लोग की जो थी दैट वाज 5 ओम, 10 ओम एंड 15 ओम और ये 10 वोल्ट का था, तो इसमें पूछता कि अब सिंस इन सीरीज करंट इज सेम तो वोल्टेज पूछता है कि वोल्टेज इसके क्रॉस कितना है, तो V1 के क्रॉस कितना हो जाता है, I इंटू R1 दैट इज 1/3 इंटू 5/3 वोल्ट। V2 इक्वल टू हाउ मच, I इंटू R2 1/3 इंटू 10 दैट इज 10/3 वोल्ट। और V3 इक्वल टू हाउ मच, इसको यहाँ पे V1 एज्यूम करते हैं, V2 एज्यूम करते हैं, V3 एज्यूम करते हैं। सो व्हाट विल बी V3 इन दैट केस, वी हैव गॉट दैट V3 इज इक्वल टू I into R3 that is equal to 1/3 into 15 that is 5 वोल्ट। तो देखिए यहाँ पे जो वोल्टेज आता है वो कितना आता है, 5 ओम के क्रॉस जो वोल्टेज मिला हम लोग को कितना मिला, 5/3 वोल्ट। 10 वोल्ट ओम के क्रॉस 10/3 वोल्ट और 15 ओम के क्रॉस 5 वोल्ट। अब इन तीनों को ऐड कर लीजिए, 5/3 10/3 प्लस 5, LCM is our 3 that is 5 plus 10 plus 15 that is 30/3 that is 10 वोल्ट। इसीलिए हम लोग कहते हैं जो हमने प्रूफ कराया उसको भी यहाँ पे हमने न्यूमेरिकल से भी सॉल्व किया कि दिस इन सीरीज वोल्टेज गेट डिवाइड्स एंड टोटल वोल्टेज V इक्वल टू V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3। इस क्वेश्चन में हमने तीनों को ऐड कर दिया V1 V2 V3 को, देन द आंसर व्हाट वी हैव गॉट सेम दैट इज इक्वल टू 10 वोल्ट। Okay, so this type of numerical is asked in the board exam on series and parallel combination. In the next class, we will talk about what is the advantage of series over parallel. Okay, and I will talk about electric power. What you have to do, you have to solve more numerical on this series and parallel. Whatever the numerical which is given in the exercise on series combination and parallel combination, please try to solve it. Okay, that is the homework for you. Tomorrow in the next class also we will do one thing, that we will solve some of the numerical on resistivity, that how to find the value of resistance and how to find the value of resistivity, and if resistivity is given to you and length and area is given to you, how we will find the value of our resistance. Okay, so in the next class we will take numerical on resistivity also, and we will study about the electric power. Okay, thank you, God bless you.